have to walk this entire here. You have to walk this along this axis to get to the get to the clubhouse. Yes, but it's right next to the water body, and you get to enjoy all that. You wouldn't get to enjoy all that if you were somewhere else, right? And only that other corner, the villas abutting the water body, but otherwise get to enjoy it. Whereas now everyone gets to enjoy it if they want to. Like the restaurant gets a view, the spa gets a view, the poolside deck gets a view. All of them get a view of the water body and get a feel of the water body.
How many population does the whole site support? 24 acres.
It's around 800,000. Density is very low.
Yeah, is it? If it has a very less density of 800 per acre, it's 800 per acre or the total?
Total. It's around 1,000 people in the entire city.
Why such a less density? I mean, at least the density could be increased because.
I didn't want to increase density for the sake of
Another half an hour at the most. Rishabh, would you like to make an announcement?
We had an enjoyable session here, presentation of all the theses, different views, different ideas, and different mind openers. Again, welcomes everyone to the NIASA final presentation, the announcement of the selected winners who will go on for the competition on the national level. We at McGinn's had a wonderful opportunity in the past 3 days to host NIASA. In the process, we learned a lot of things about architectural thesis because we are yet to reach that stage. Our first batch has not yet passed out, so we got a very nice opportunity to see some of the best works from South India. Thank you all for that. Thank you to the participants and to the jury members for giving wonderful comments and opening our minds. We would now like to conclude the event with a vote of thanks by the director. I would like to request our director, Professor Solomon, to say a few words.
I love playing it by the ear, but this really took me off. Now, you want me to say something about the vote of thanks, or the person to propose the vote of thanks?
No, you'll be introducing Jason.
I think we know everything, so you can just.
Well, it can be welcome. It's a welcome address, not a welcome thanks.
Okay. So again, on behalf of McGann's School of Architecture, I welcome everyone here, especially the jury who spent quite a eventful, tedious day, the whole day. Of course, by now you should be knowing Jayashree very well, and also the jury. See, I come from the School of Architecture and Planning, Madras University. See, the illustrious history of the School of Architecture and Planning, formerly under the Madras University Fine Arts Department, spans more than 50 years. Prominently etched on the pages of this illustrious history is the profile of one man, a very renowned architect, a dedicated teacher, and a teacher par excellence. Now, I would like to proudly introduce to you our chief guest for the evening, Professor Altaf Ahmed, and I request him to please. His name has been a household name in the family of almost all the alumni who passed out of the School of Architecture and Planning, Madras University. And personally, to me, he has the unique distinction of not only having taught me, he has taught my wife, and now he's teaching my daughter. I'm also very proud to say that the principal of the college, the dean of this college, and a senior professor, right? Senior professor, Professor Ranganathan, who's here amongst us. Now you can imagine the pride and pleasure and honor we are experiencing this evening to have with us Professor Altaf Ahmed as a chief guest. This is really a memorable event for us and for the School of Art and Planning. So I request the principal to say a few words and take it up from here.
I'll not repeat what he said about our alumni and what about the done. I want to thank basically the jurors for having come all the way, spent to of McGann's. You know what we have, I'm sure it was quite intense. I was there for the last part of it when you saw the last student, going through what the questions you were asking. And that must have opened the eyes for many of them. And once you went back and really long deliberation to get the winners, I'm sure you've taken your time and chosen the best of the lot. Thank you once again, and I won't delay any further. I request
Have the distribution of prizes for the drawing competition we held for the school children. Can you please have Solomon sir do the honors?
For those of you not in the know, in conjunction with NIASA, we hosting the 7th awards, South Zone 5, we also took the opportunity, under Jayashree's advice, to also interact with the schools in and around Ooty. And in conjunction with that, we also had a drawing competition, the theme of which was Ooty 2020. Right, we've had some fantastic visions for how this town, this hill station, the Queen of Hills, would be transformed in about 15 years from now. And the winners of that competition in reverse order, the third prize goes to Shivali Arora from Riverside. Is she here? Also from Riverside. They're not there? Okay, right. And the first prize goes to Good Shepherd International, to Akash D.
Are we getting photographed? Yes.
Request Professor Jayashree to take over the stage from now on. She would be introducing the jury members and going ahead with the show.
Day of seeing the presentations, 10 best presentations. Introductions are no longer needed. We all know each other so well. But for this special program at the end of a hectic day, I would like to request the representatives of the Host Institute, the director, Professor Solomon, and the principal, Professor Vikram Devraj, to please come up on the stage. I would also request our 3 jury members, eminent architects and academicians who have come from different parts of the country for this occasion and have spent 2 long, hard working days here. Architect Surya Kakani, Architect Shirish Sukhatme, and Architect Anirudh Paul. Please. Architect Prakash Deshmukh. Sir, I would request you also to please join on the stage. Architect Prakash Deshmukh is a member of the Executive Committee of the Council of Architecture. I have said that I will not introduce the jury members. It is true, but I may just add a little bit more to what you all already know. Architect Surya Kakani is from Ahmedabad, a practicing architect involved in CEPT. The jury panel has a very unique combination. We have one person who comes from the panel of jurors that we have with us for the thesis advisory from the thesis advisory committee. Surya has been with us on this program for the last 3 years, and this is his 4th cycle. Social activist, should I call you Anirudh? And a very well-read person. He is a member of the advisory committee of the Thesis Awards program of Council of Architecture. Since last year, we have been inviting one member of the Thesis Advisory Committee on each zonal jury. Anirudh Paul represents the Thesis Advisory Committee here. At this point of time, I would also like to say that he has been deeply involved in the creation of the 3 books of archiving architectural thesis. He is part of the design team. I will not say part, but he has been heading it together with me, and it has been a very enjoyable process. And I hope that in years to come, we will be able to bring out more such books on such programs. and Professor Shirish Sukhatme, the senior most member of the team, has been into academics for last more than 2 decades. He is teaching at the Sir J.J. College of Architecture, the premier institution in architecture in India, and also he is a practitioner in Mumbai for the last more than 2 decades. Beyond that, I must express here that there is a speciality which keeps him apart from all other architects, and that is his deep understanding of the principles of design. If any of you would want to look up on his website, he has a wonderful website which talks about basic design, and the presentations there are there for you all to refer to, and I'm sure teachers of architecture in many schools have been already doing that. The website itself speaks for him. I would like you all to give the jury a big hand for being here. But before we do that, I would like to call upon and felicitate the participants who are all, as I said, winners in their own right. Before we... and architect Anirudh Paul. Yes, Professor Altaf Ahmed, to felicitate the winners of the program. Not the 2 final winners yet, but the 10 who have presented their projects today. Shall I call out serially? Let me begin. Let me still keep the suspense. Let me begin with just the presenters who were not shortlisted but have submitted their entry for the program. We had a total of 20 entries, of which 15 students reported today. 5 students did not. I will call their names first. Sriram, National Institute of Technology, Trichy. His project was Center for Advanced Scientific Research in Chennai. Kavita from Satyabama University, project was Museum Matrix. Mary, Satyabama University Pediatric Hospital. Siddharth, Myasi Academy of Architecture. His project was Harley Davidson Center. And Reena, National Institute of Technology, Calicut. Her project was Redefining Entertainment for Cochin. I would now call upon these 5 participants have been absent. They did not present themselves today, although 2 of them were shortlisted and they lost the opportunity to present. I would now call upon the others. Dinoy, Hindustan College of Engineering, are you there? Please come up. I will request you to remain on the stage, please. The center. Santosh. Santosh, Satyabama University, an institution for architectural sciences and creativity. I would like you all to come here, please, up on the stage for a photograph with. We need to have your photograph with their lecturer. project is International Airport Terminal. Is there? Shaheen, Tamil Nadu School of Architecture, International of Architecture, Down to Earth Village, a sustainable development at Ernakulam. Give them a big hand, please. Here I would like to explain a little bit. I've said that I invite them for felicitation. We award them a certificate of participation at this point. But because we are going through a very unique phase, I must apologize and explain to you that the council elections are on and the president is a signatory to the certificates that we distribute at this point of time. So the certificates we are not giving you today, but they will reach you, I assure you, on your postal address which you have registered with us. In spite of that, I would like to congratulate all of you and thank you for participating in this program, and do be in touch with us henceforth. Remain on the stage. A big hand, please. The presenters of the projects. I will begin in the order of their code number. These are still not in any order of merit, please. Code number 1 was Venkatraman from School of Architecture and Planning, Anna University, International Resource Center at Ahmedabad. Venkat, you can. City Metabolism at Crossroads, Chennai. Jackson, code number 14. Code number 10, Abbas, Mercy Academy of Architecture for the project. Is left. Next is Shahnaz, Mercy Academy of Architecture, Luxury Housing. Rohit, College of Engineering, Trivandrum, Dr. Ambedkar National Center for Social Justice. Share, College of Engineering, Trivandrum, Reawakening of the Mosque as a Community Hub. Jai Prakash, MES School of Architecture, Revitalization of a Quarry in Mumbai. And Shaheen, National Institute of Technology, Calicut, International Academy of Architecture, Kochi. Have I missed out anybody? I would be failing in my duties if on behalf of Council of Architecture and its academic unit, National Institute of Advanced Studies in Architecture, called NIASA, I do not express my thanks and gratitude to the host institute. Sirs, it would not have been possible for us if it was not for your all enjoyed this thoroughly. I know the students, the faculty, the volunteers, the principal, the dean, everybody has been so deeply involved in this program. But it doesn't end here. Let me tell you a little story. There is a precedence in this matter. In at least 3 to 4 incidences earlier, wherever we have held the zonal juries, the next time there has been participation from that institute, they have produced winners. So now it is your responsibility, guys, to participate next time and then go to the finals from there and top the finals as well. Huh? A big hand and all the best. Professor Sukhatni. I would request you to please express your observations about the program and the project that you
Hi guys. It was really a good 2 nights to spend. We'll be spending 1 more night. First we found it cheap, but your warmth, the way in which you have pampered us, right from beginning, right from entering onto the airport, reaching here, really you have taken very good care of us. And we were all quite anxious to see like how architecture college performs on hill stations. But looking at the response and your attendance,